Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your iPhone and Mac. This prevents data loss and avoids version conflicts. Once done, install Xcode on the Mac and enable developer mode on the phone. This lets you run unsigned apps for testing. Make sure you have a simple GPSim app source or template that accepts GPX files. Connect the device with a lightning cable, trust the Mac, and confirm provisioning settings. These steps let you deploy a test app that will control location. In Xcode, open the GPSim project and change the bundle ID to something unique so it can install on your device. Next, pick your iPhone as the run target and choose your Apple ID team for signing. Fix any capability prompts or signing errors. Then import or create a GPX file with the coordinates you want and attach it to the project. When you build and run, Xcode will install the app and make that GPX available for simulated location control. Run the installed GPSim app and load the GPX point or route. This sets the device's simulated location at the system level while the app is active. Once the fake location is live, open Mobile Legends. Make sure the game reads the device GPS rather than using Wi-Fi IP. If the game rejects the location or your device reverts, stop the app, redeploy from Xcode, and try again. Troubleshooting tip: if locations reset, toggle developer mode and re-sign the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.